Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible iPhone and a certified Lightning cable. This is the only reliable method for Qashqai CarPlay. Plug the cable into your iPhone first, then into the Nissan USB port labeled with a smartphone or CarPlay icon. Once done, wake the car's infotainment system. Make sure the screen is not in a different source. You'll see a CarPlay prompt on the screen and an iPhone permission pop-up. Allow the connection and accept any prompts so the system can initialize CarPlay services. After the initial handshake, the Nissan display loads CarPlay. Select it if it does not switch automatically. On your iPhone, a message may ask to allow CarPlay with this vehicle. Tap Allow, then choose Always to streamline future connections. Next, open iPhone Settings General CarPlay to assign or rearrange apps and shortcuts so the most used items appear first on the Qashqai screen. Make sure Siri is enabled, because CarPlay relies on voice commands for navigation and messaging safety. Finish by testing core functions. Start a route, make a call, and stream audio to confirm full control from the screen and steering buttons. If CarPlay doesn't appear, disconnect and reconnect the cable, try a known good MFI cable, and restart your iPhone and the vehicle system. This clears temporary USB handshake faults. If problems persist, update your iPhone iOS and check for Nissan infotainment updates, because firmware mismatches can block CarPlay compatibility. This resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.